Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add members in ClickUp. So, in order to do this, first of all, log into ClickUp using your user credentials. After you log into ClickUp application or the website, you'll have to simply navigate to the workspace where you want to add your members. Now, you will see the workspace appearing here. Click on the name of the workspace at the top left of the screen and you will see Settings, Upgrade, Apps and Manage Users button. Simply click on Manage Users button and it is quickly going to take you to this Manage People page. Here, in order to add or invite team members, you'll have to simply enter their name or email in this section. For example, if I would want to add a team member, I will simply add their email. Now after adding their email, you can simply click on Invite this person button to your workspace. And when you do this, as you can see, an invite has been sent to this email. Now you will see their name appearing just right here in the pending section. Whenever that person or team member is going to open that email and click on this, they will be successfully added to our ClickUp board. Now you can also click on invite by email and add multiple lines and CSVs in this section. You can click on member and choose whether the teammate that you're going to add is a member, is a guest or an admin of your workspace. So just enter the email of the person you want to add and click on invite button just right here. Now after doing this, you would have successfully invited a team member on your ClickUp. You can also click on this member role option and choose the role for the person that you have invited. You can also click on this three-dotted icon just under settings and click on resend invitation if you want to send another invitation. Now, if you want to cancel this invite, click on cancel invite section just right here and that person will be removed from the invited people. So that's how you add team members on ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.